Updating your billing information on Vanguard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vanguard website and enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the My Account or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the top menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed to the billing details. Step 4. Update your information. You will see your current billing information displayed. Choose the option to edit or update your billing details. Enter the new information as required, such as credit card details or bank account information. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /con link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Vanguard. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure all details remain accurate.